I am Gayatri, working as a assistant professor in EC department at SNS College of Technology. Today I am going to discuss about the topic of channel assignment, which comes under the unit wireless communication for the subject principles of communication system for final year 7th semester paper. In channel assignment, first we have to set up the channels. The set up the channels is also called as control channels. The channels designated to set up the calls. When we are making the call, we have to set up the channels for making up the calls. The system can be operated without set up the channels. The set up channels can be classified into two types, which is access channels and paging channel. Access channels, the power of the forward setup channel, forward control channel, which can be called as FOCC. The setup channels received level, which represents the threshold level, or ECC. The change power at the mobile unit messages, the mobile station control message, system parameter overhead message, control filler message, direct call, retry. Paging channel, the assigned forward setup channel of each cell site is used to page the mobile unit with the same mobile station control message. Selecting the voice channel for mobile originating calls for paging calls. Channel assignment to the cell sites. Fixed channel assignment. Fixed channel assignment, we have to do the set up the channels and voice channels and long-term basis. The first fixed channel assignment, setup channels, we are having the 21 channels, n which is equal to 4, 7, 12 cell reuse patterns. In this method we can use. The omnidirectional antennas are used in the fixed channel assignment. One channel per cell. Unused setup channels, avoid interference between block A and B. Voice channels, we are having 21 subsets, minimum co-channel and adjacent channel interference, having a 3 SAT tones, supervisory audio tones were used. The speaker, we are having the 3 SAT tones, we are having the supervisory audio tones. The channel assignment to the traveling mobile units, underlay, overlay assignment method, frequency assignment method, and tilted antenna were used. The channel assignment to the traveling mobile unit, underlaid, overlaid cell arrangements. The A represents our underlaid overlay in omni cells and B represents underlay overlay in sectorized cells, where the divisions, the cell will be divided. And C represents the two-level handoff scheme. The first level 1 represents 0, 0 and level 2. We are having the two-level handoff scheme. Then underlay overlay arrangements, where the cells were arranged in the group of clusters, and we are having within the cell we are having a small cell. Within each cell we are having the small cell A1, A2, A3. Then we are having a A1, A2, A3, A1, A2. In between we are having the B1, B2 up to B7. B7 we are having. Then fixed channel assignment, we are having adjacent channel assignment, channel shadowing and borrowing, sectorization. Adjacent channel assignment, we are having first represents omnidirectional antenna cell and second represents our directional antenna cells, where the channel assignment, adjacent channel not allowed and adjacent channels allowed are represented in different patterns. We have represented in omnidirectional as well as directional antenna cells. Then channel shadowing and borrowing, we are using the channel sharing algorithm in this method, where we are having the group of clusters and the hash represents our possible interference area, where the group of cluster, in that the interference where it can occur, it is represented in hash symbol. The sectorization, the 120 degree sector cells for both transmitting and receiving we are using, and 60 degree cells also used for both transmitting and receiving, and 120 or 60 degree cells for receiving sectorization only, and transmitting antenna is omnidirectional. In this case, by this three cases we can use our sectorization. the non-fixed channel assignment algorithm, we are using a dynamic channel assignment, hybrid channel assignment, borrowing channel assignment, and forcible borrowing channel assignment. Okay. Then let's have the assessment, that is a recap. What is the drawback of the dynamic channel assessment, which is having the increased storage and computational load on system. Is the type of channel assignment. For this, the answers discussed in the previous slides. Kindly go through the slides and you will get the answers. Thank you for watching.